everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Nick's Drive. Got the parts ordered for the motor. Should be here today and Friday. Today's Wednesday. But I'm going to start, I'm going to get the harmonic balancer off and all that stuff today and clean this up a little bit. Got the interior, or the inside of the engine bed cleaned up a little. It needs to be degreased and sponged off, but for the most part, could have this motor back in by early next week. So, still waiting on that parts car. I should be going to pick it up this Sunday. But besides that, let's tear into this motor. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is see these white marks on the cam gears. You want to get them lined up to top dead center when this is zeroed out, and there's the markings for this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn the motor over, which I got the spark plugs in still, so it's going to be rough. Alright, so that's 180 out right there. No, actually that's perfect. But I need to get these cam gears up top, so I need to... I've got it to top dead center. And it does look like the exhaust cam is, I believe that's retarded one. I mean, it's not the angle on the camera or anything. That's actually what it is. Now I've already broke this loose before I did anything else, before I even put the timing on. And you're going to want to use an impact to be able to hold the other side, so you don't lose timing or anything. Now this is a harmonic balancer kit. I'm going to find out which bolts fit into these holes, which is not bad. This I don't want to use an impact on.